What's wrong with you, Vito?
I think we got some dogs that have some issues here. Yes, YouTube.
Let's have a bad itch.
Yes, YouTube. What has gone wrong with this dog?
It's like she's possessed by like someone. She's like a devil dog.
The devil dog.
Yeah. Get this spirit out of me.
Oh, man, you are killing me, dude.
Peanut. Hey, Peanut. Hey, puppy. What's
You're
up?
going on YouTube.